Miss Jane Saw.
This is my third roast.
Can we visit Beyonce?
Stage po muna lahat.
Wala nakaganyan siya.
The roast of Miss Jane Saw is brought to you by The Playhouse in collaboration with Montanola Aesthetic Clinic.
This is Apple Car. Today, we're on our way to the roast of Miss Jade Saw. This is my third roast. Third, di ba? Second major roast. Third roast improv production that I have produced. And just ko wala ako sa mood, girl. Galing ako driving lessons and I have not had enough sleep. I feel tired. So, tingnan natin. So, help me God.
So, my name is
Kalala! May paparazzi! Char. Lagot! Bakit sarado pa? Sana oras ba tayo? Ano naman oras na commitment natin? The Dim Sum Palace. Bagong segment na isumbong mo kay Eva. So, ang segment na to ay free for all. Maglalagay tayo ng mic stand. Aho. Magkano to, te? Kano to na? Sino may sabi? Bakit mo binili? Eh, joke-joke lang yun. Ay, nako, hindi ko babayaran to. Hindi ko babayaran to. Char. Oh, ito, kinuha pa namin to sa Supreme Court. sa Supreme Court of Washington. Namin kinuha to. Ito yan, pag pangit yung boses mo. Exciting! Gamit natin siya. Sumbong mo kay Eva. Dapat gawing challenge to sa TikTok eh. How to eat mainit na pagkain sa mainit na panahon. Okay.
Can we visit Beyonce? Beyonce is my friend.
Is she your friend? Is she your friend?
She's my friend.
No, baby, we don't know Beyonce personally.
I love Tyler. Oh my God. Beyonce is my friend. Naglalaro kami ng Chinese garter dati. Ang pangalan lang niya, Beheng. May H. Beheng lang yung tawag namin sa kanya. Ako nga, lagi akong mother eh. Ako talaga yung mother.
Yung mabilis na
Hindi na yun yung item. Kano to? Ay, shit. Napakalaban.
Okay.
Kayo na pa maglalagay nito.
Yes.
May isa pa mabibili dito.
Everyone po, Rod, Queens, Queen.
No.
On stage po muna lahat. Pabili na daw po ulit.
Parang gano'n. Something like that.
We call everyone, PA's production, Queens. Good style, yes. We are expecting around 249 people here. Sold out. Yung mga queen na walang glitch. Tech team, lights na the roles. And kaya naka-print naman lahat ng QR code. Let's go! Yes. So Ari is gonna start. Kat, Minty, Didi. So one last cast photo siguro. I think gawin natin mag-cast photo na tayo. Okay, so whatever we have outside, iwan namin siya sa labas. Okay? So this show is for us. Let's just have fun, enjoy it. And yeah, let's have a good show. Yes! Let's have a good show. So maraming salamat. We'll see you guys. Yeah, we'll see you guys later. So maraming salamat Universe sa lahat ng blessings na binigay sa amin and more. Okay? So energy. Pass the energy. Yes! Also sabay. Beauty! Contest! Thank you everyone. Let's have a good show. Let's have a good show.
The grand number bouquet queen herself, Miss Eva
The roast of Miss Jade Saw is brought to you by The Playhouse in collaboration with Montanola Aesthetic Clinic. Where's my Montanola friends? Palakpakan natin. Dog fans. Yes. Introduce a segment called Kapag May Katwiran, Isumbong Mo kay Eva!
It's very easy to like call things out and do things on social media, speak up about it. You know, words are cheap unless we're really doing something about it.
Simulan na natin palakpakan ang roast of Miss Jade Saw.
Ipanalangin mo na Manila, ngayon ako kami ang mabubuhay.
So guys, we're here with my co-producer for the roast series, Pals Rufo!
Hello, hello!
Grabe, what can you say about the recent roast?
Everybody stepped up their games. I mean, yes, I'm here parang as a creative consultant, pero like most of them came with the content already and nag-edit lang ako. So talagang, wow, ibang level. Eva the Queen continues to break new ground for the future drag queen. So you have here an icon, a legend, a rock star, and also a fucking mogul.
Yes! Pero grabe, again, you know, I couldn't have done this on my own. And like, it takes a village to put this amazing show into life. And we see you at the next roast.